So friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing Microsoft Store error 0x80244022 error problem, so guys watch this video till end because in this video I'm showing you why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can follow these steps, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Watch this video carefully till the end. Fix 1. Check internet. So first turn off VPN, go to settings, then network and internet, then proxy. Turn off use a proxy server, automatically detect settings temporary. Restart PC. Then the fix 2 is reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Win plus R, then type WS reset. Press enter, then store will open automatically. Fix 3. Restart required services. Press Win plus R, then type services.msc. Restart these services. Windows Update, Background Intelligent, Transfer Service, Bits, Delivery Optimization, Microsoft Store Install Service. Restart PC after this. I hope guys this helps. Do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe.